Alright, so this is an RV park slash mobile home park. So they got this little tiny home rented already. Client should be here in 2 days, because he already requested a hookup for the internet and TV service, digital TV service. This is in a bulk bill in cycles. So what we have here, this is our GPON for the fiber. Ethernet cable will go inside, everything is set, everything is ready to go. So we already sent the client a QR code, which has its Wi-Fi password and the Wi-Fi name, the TV credentials also. So as soon as he lands and get his stuff up, he should be able to browse the internet and stream live TV. Sorry, digital live TV. So here's the setting. That's the Ethernet cable going to the cube, PO box, not PO box, the PoE box, I guess. Powered in, is no power here yet, but as soon as the power goes on, everything will go live. And he has all the credentials, he doesn't need to call us. Everything is set, tested, that it's working 100%. So this is how we do it in here. We set everything prior to land. Everything is set, everything is ready. There is no complicated setup or other stuff that shouldn't be there. These are really nice tiny homes, I like them. There you go. This is how we do it.